You broke his heart.
This is entitled Macho Man. I was 15. I didn't think I'd make it past 16. I was born and bred through violence, through fists flung in the street and homeroom classes. I became a monster just to get by. He was 15, a mad dog just as crazy as myself. We were rivals, and everyone was scalping tickets to our funeral. We weren't walking out of this alive, so I thought. His name was Paulo. The day had come that Paulo and I would trade blows and draw blood. A crowd of children formed a ring for a rumble in San Juan, yelling, "Mátalo! Rómpele la cara! Hazlo sangrar! Dale hasta dentro el pelo!" I'm sorry, this was in Puerto Rico for those who don't know. Google Translate is your friend. Pablo and I sized each other up face to face, nose to nose, eyes beaming into each other's souls. We entered the battlefield as men. Little did we know we would leave as boys. We trash-talked in English to show off how bilingually badass we were. God damn it, Saramambiche! Die, amigo! Die dead! Go to the hell! These were 15-year-old Puerto Rican boys in Puerto Rico, mind you. Our mouths roared open. Fuck! But we never got to you, for our mouths closed to form the sound Y-O-U. We failed to realize how close we really were. Our lips formed interlocking U's. Silence fell over the crowd. A kiss. A wet kiss. Saliva swishing in our mouths from rage and bile. I'm sorry, let me illustrate. We were saying, fuck! And we were so close to each other when we said, no! It was awkward. It was really fucking awkward. We took a step back, staring at each other, confused as to what the fuck just happened. So too was the crowd. One by one dispersed, until we two awkwardly walked away from each other. One thing was for certain. The fight was pretty much over. And that's how it was, ladies and gentlemen. That D-Bird lost his first kiss. Not to a lover, specifically female, which is his sexual preference, let me be clear, and reassure you. But to an enemy, specifically male, something I pretty much have to live with for the rest of my life. That's okay. I walk away a bigger man today. I'm 31. I didn't think I'd make it past 16. My life is not defined by violence. I teach graduate school classes and even getting a degree. I set aside the mask of macho masculinity so I can be me. My name is Daniel Jose, and I'm a real man today.